Kagaya bakit ang takot maligo lalo na pag malamig ang panahon? Be, may solusyon ako dyan. Yes, this is the Candy Dart Water Heater. And it's available now in the Philippines. Kahit umulan, bumagyo, di ka natatama rin maligo. And this also has 11 safety protection, including shock-proof tech and ELCB automatic power off in 1.1 seconds if there's leakage. Kaya sobrang safe nito gamitin. Yes, tama. And tested siya 100 times for durability. And ang maganda dyan, meron din tong 2 years warranty plus 5 years heating element coverage. And Candy is a global home appliances brand founded in Italy in 1945. Yes, 80 years na sila and sobrang quality talaga ng mga product nila. This also has antibacterial technology which effectively inhibit 99.9% of bacteria in the water, protecting your health at a professional SPA level na perfect sa skin at health mo. At ang maganda dyan, makakatipid pa kayo ng 3,000 yearly on electricity. So after ko maligo, nag-skincare din ako. Yes, iba talaga pag nakakaligo, na para bang ang fresh at ang ginhawa sa pakiramdam. And alam nyo, ang napansin ko, yung skin ko sobrang smooth niya. Unlike dati na kahit kakaligo ko lang, ang dry-dry pa rin ang skin ko. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ka-fresh yan. O diba ang fresh? Kaya guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo, umorder na kayo dahil available to sa Shopee. At sobrang affordable lang. Yun lang, good night!